Welcome to another video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a like comment. Thank you. Let's move on to our video. Mint juice, derived from the leaves of the mint plant, mentha, is often used for its potential benefits for the skin due to its natural properties. However, it's important to note that while mint juice may offer certain benefits, individual reactions can vary, and it's always recommended to do a patch test before using it on your skin. Here are some potential benefits of mint juice for the skin. Cooling and soothing. Mint contains menthol, which imparts a cooling sensation when applied to the skin. This can help soothe irritated skin, reduce redness, and provide relief from itching or inflammation caused by conditions like sunburn, rashes, or insect bites. Acne treatment. Mint juice has antimicrobial properties that can help combat bacteria that contribute to acne formation. It may help reduce the appearance of pimples and blemishes, and its astringent properties might assist in tightening pores. Oil control. Mint juice can help control excess oil production on the skin. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with oily or combination skin types, as it may help prevent clogged pores and reduce the likelihood of acne breakouts. Skin cleansing. The cleansing properties of mint juice can assist in removing impurities, dirt, and excess oils from the skin's surface, leaving it feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Skin brightening. The natural antioxidants present in mint juice may help promote a brighter complexion by reducing the appearance of dullness and promoting healthy skin cell turnover. Toning. Mint juice can work as a natural toner, helping to balance the skin's pH levels and improve overall skin tone. Anti-inflammatory. Mint's anti-inflammatory properties can be beneficial for those with sensitive or inflamed skin. It may help reduce redness and irritation associated with various skin conditions. Anti-aging. The antioxidants in mint juice may help fight free radicals and oxidative stress, which are factors that contribute to premature aging of the skin. This could potentially help in reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. To use mint juice on your skin. DIY mint toner. Mix mint juice with water and use it as a natural toner after cleansing your face. Apply it using a cotton pad and allow it to dry before continuing with your skincare routine. Mint face mask. You can create a face mask by mixing mint juice with ingredients like yogurt or honey to reap its benefits. Apply the mask to your face, leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then rinse off with water. Spot treatment. Apply a small amount of diluted mint juice directly to pimples or blemishes for its antimicrobial and soothing effects. Remember that while mint juice can offer potential benefits for the skin, it might not be suitable for everyone. Some individuals might be sensitive to mint or its components, and excessive use may lead to adverse reactions. If you experience any irritation, redness, or discomfort, discontinue use and consult a dermatologist. Thank you for watching this video, and to watch such informative videos, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon button so that the notification of upcoming videos can reach you.